equipment. Depending on the ground conditions, it can be used anywhere, and Hadrian X is a robot that can build brick structures. The R9800 mining excavators combines adaptability with high productivity among the objects at the festival. The machine can unload the waste into a container using a hydraulic tipper. Autonomous material handling and truck loading with high productivity, clean emissions, and revolutionary efficiency. Well, the JF990 from Jekko combines the flexibility of an articulated crane with the reliability of a crawler. This crane stands out from the competition with an outstanding lifting capacity of 21.5 tons, despite its compact size. Reaching a working height of 134.5 feet and an outreach of 124.7 feet, the telescopic jib makes it a powerful helper on any construction site. The versatility of the JF990 is wonderful. It can easily switch between electric motor and diesel engine for optimal performance, both indoors and outdoors. The JF990 is ideal for specific lifts in tight spaces and various demanding tasks. This giant of a tool, equipped with powerful teeth, can easily carry massive volumes of wood. No longer just a helper, but a real hero loader, ready to safely deliver your goods wherever you need them. You see the Stryker Volterra ARFF, a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, PHEV, ARFF, that has been designed to meet the growing standards for sustainable solutions at airports of all sizes around the world. It is designed to channel mechanical and battery power to enhance driving and pumping performance, while keeping fuel consumption and emissions in mind. At the heart of the new Stryker Volterra ARFF is Oshkosh Corporation's proprietary technology, including Oshkosh's patented hybrid electric drivetrain that provides zero emissions operation while powered by battery power. The Stryker Volterra ARFF vehicle is built on traditional Stryker ARFF platform configurations, ensuring fleet continuity and seamless training and maintenance processes. The front loader Caterpillar CAT 994 is one of the largest loaders in the world. It is designed to work with dump trucks with payload capacity of 150, 200, and 250 tons. The curb weight of this monster of special equipment is 239 tons. The machine is equipped with a well-proven turbocharged diesel engine, CAT 3516E, with a total capacity of 1,847 horsepower. During development, great attention was paid by the manufacturer to reducing operating expenses. The engine's advanced air filter design provides triple the engine life, and the oil change period is extended by 500 engine hours. All of the truck's lighting fixtures utilize longer-lasting and more economical LEDs. Manitou has launched the new telehandler with a total lift capacity of 25 tons and a maximum lift height of 36 feet. This equipment is equipped with a 211 horsepower engine and hydrostatic transmission. It can be used to handle heavy and bulky loads in complete safety and on any type of terrain thanks to 4 driving and steering wheels. A wide range of equipment can be mounted on the loader: forks, winch, hook, positioner, shovel, man basket, and tire clamps, cylinders, and pipes. For maximum comfort, this machine is equipped with a panoramic and ergonomic cab, easy step access, JSM joystick, and color touchscreen display. Forget about the old way of transplanting trees. Now, special Caterpillar machinery is on the scene, turning this process into a real art form. Under its watchful eye, the tree is not just transplanted, it begins a new chapter of its life in a new place. The RT14R from Terramac has been designed to work on sensitive and confined job sites thanks to its full 360-degree rotation. With this machine, you can easily unload at any angle, and then do it again and again with maximum efficiency. The 2-speed hydrostatic transmission allows this massive tracked hauler to outperform its competitors while maintaining maximum safety and comfort. Unload material right where you want it, and easily get back in by turning 360 degrees. By the way, the manufacturer has implemented a standard ISO joystick control with unloading controls, which provides increased maneuverability. It is this factor that makes driving the RT14R a dream. The machine easily moves and unloads 14 tons of materials or equipment at any angle. The Tybot rebar binding robot works continuously and regardless of the weather outside. Its functioning is based on machine vision technology, which guides the robot to the required location, and the robot limb binds the rebar qualitatively. The device is brought into working position by a small remote control panel. And by the way, the robot has even set a record. It was able to bind 11,044 bars in just one day, an average of 1,100 pieces per hour of work. You have to agree, such figures are really impressive. Robo is dedicated to creating autonomous driving solutions that will transform the way the construction industry operates. By modernizing existing heavy equipment such as bulldozers, excavators, and wheel loaders with the latest artificial intelligence systems, Robo's technology allows construction machines to operate completely autonomously to increase productivity, reduce costs, and improve safety. Just look at how their lead machine works. It can provide autonomous bulldozing, precise leveling, material spreading, land clearing, and many other operations. The system is quite compatible with existing 2D and 3D grade control products. The Multi-One solar panel washer is designed to clean photovoltaic solar panels and help maintain and optimize their performance. The use of a solar panel washer, regular cleaning, and maintenance is critical to ensure that solar panels do not lose up to 17 to 25% of electric generation due to the accumulation of dirt, dust, and other foreign matter. A solar panel wash can clean anywhere from 0.7 megawatt hours to 2 megawatt hours, all depending on the type of surface. The BF1 20.4 crushing bucket is specially designed for crushing and all recycling operations of aggregates and quarries and dumps. This high-performance and versatile model has been able to win a special place in crushing on large-scale construction sites in the city and beyond in just a few years. This equipment is the ideal accessory for large crushing projects. It is suitable for excavators from 30 to 45 tons and guarantees high crushing performance on large urban and suburban construction sites. Imagine your next road paving job starting out perfectly smooth, thanks to the wheeled excavator with RF Systems' unique X-Plane dozer blade. Equipped with a laser-guided dozer blade and leveling beam, this miracle machine ensures a completely smooth surface preparation. The X-Plane dozer blade makes the difficulty easy, ensuring that your pavement starts with a perfectly prepared subgrade. Introducing Road Printer, a magical whirlwind in the world of road construction that transforms any project into a master asphalt driveway with ease. A dream machine capable of bringing to life webs from 13.1 to 19.7 feet long and up to 19.7 feet wide in just one motion. The best you've seen in the field. Want a narrow path or a wide avenue? Road Printer knows no limitations, allowing you to vary widths from 3.3 feet to 19.7 feet. And with the RPS LT75 tray, every foot of your new road will be perfect, as if it came from the hand of a true artist. The XE7000 is the largest tonnage mining excavator independently developed by XCMG to meet the requirements of large-scale mining construction. The excavator is equipped with intelligent fault monitoring and self-diagnosis system, centralized fire extinguishing system, as well as lubrication system and a variety of safety equipment to ensure the safe and efficient operation of the whole machine. And what's more, you can count on easy operation and convenient machine maintenance. Depending on the mining design, the machine can flexibly choose between 2 power options, diesel engine or motorized engine, and 2 operating modes. You see the most powerful electric mini loader, the Z20, and yet completely emission-free. This machine is only 29.9 inches wide and is, of course, ergonomically optimized. The driver is therefore always in a relaxed position with the entire control panel at his fingertips. The Z20 also has an optional hydraulic quick lock and 2 speeds, a high speed for covering long distances and a slower speed for precise maneuvering. In addition, the machine features a unique energy-saving system and a maintenance-free lithium-ion battery. The Z20 is available with a 13.5 kilowatt-hour battery or an 18 kilowatt-hour battery. In this video, we can watch the mini loader working in tandem with a cool jackhammer. Chop something fast? For the cool giant slicer, it's a no-brainer. Now, thanks to it, high-speed slicing is commonplace, making every task easier and faster. Diamond Mower's ProX Disc Mulcher is the best solution for mulching small-diameter trees and shrubs. The disc design acts like a flywheel to store energy. This stored energy combined with hydraulic power allows you to mulch any trees or shrubs in your path. The shape of the disc and the position of the tines allow for efficient mowing and mulching. While this attachment is precise and ideal for clearing land, it is still not recommended for use in urban areas. Due to the power of this machine, material can be moved long distances, making it less suitable for use in populated areas and near buildings. The Volvo FMX is packed with built-in features that make demanding tasks easier. The rugged cab provides improved forward visibility, and cameras can be viewed on the side display for enhanced safety. A traction control panel helps the driver deal with potentially dangerous situations both on and off-road, and the incredible 38-ton bogie greatly enhances productivity by increasing payload. Truly a truck on which to build the future. The new Magirus Wolf R1 is a true marvel of robotics. It fully justifies its considerable cost and can perform the most complex firefighting operations in harsh conditions. Its tracked base and 3.9-foot width allows it to be used on forest fires or on highly hazardous industrial fires. The TAF-60, on the other hand, can flow up to 6,000 liters of water per minute, which is a great advantage, especially when fighting large fires in chemical or refinery plants. The overall height of the firefighting robot has been reduced to less than 6.2 feet, which means the TAF-60 can easily penetrate low buildings. The optional central monitor, which can be turned sideways, opens up a whole new operational tactic. While the hot spot is being cooled by water mist, the monitor can simultaneously target and extinguish neighboring embers. With a lifting capacity of 300 tons, the HS8300 HD is one of the largest universal wire rope hydraulic cranes in the world. This machine has been designed specifically for intensive material handling. Accordingly, this model can handle both dragline buckets and various high-volume grapples. The massive, robust steel construction of the crane is designed for high dynamic loads and long service life. The performance of the mining excavator can be increased with the innovative Hacktronic hybrid drive, which is based on the principle of energy recovery. The use of this drive increases handling performance while reducing fuel consumption. In addition to draglines, the machine can also perform other tasks in the area of material handling and excavation. The machines of this series are used for dredging. An extremely unusual attachment from Dezini has simply exploded the world market. The giant chainsaw is designed to be mounted on the CAT 432D backhoe loader and is designed to take full advantage of the machine's hydraulics. The saw can be operated directly from the cab, and you can control the height and angle of the saw. And while most quarry workers would prefer to stay in the cab, the company offers optional radio control of this attachment. Also, you can control the cutting line from different angles. Auger Torque's hedge trimmer is the perfect complement to excavators, 1.5 to 8 tons, and offers various engine sizes to suit your application. Attaching to an excavator allows for a longer cutting range, providing access to taller trees, deeper hedges, etc. This powerful hedge trimmer is also ideal for cutting tall grass and shrubs, so your vegetation will always look well maintained and beautifully shaped. The Wallenstein model WP525 is an easy-to-use and reliable wood splitter that greatly increases production while reducing physical labor. With it, you'll be able to cut logs up to 16 inches in diameter full dent and lift them up a ramp, so your manual intervention in the process is virtually minimized. The technique has a self-contained engine and Honda hydraulics, and towing it is simple and easy behind a car or ATV. The wood chipper is equipped with Torflex suspension, which is designed to absorb bumps in the road for a smoother towing experience. The Converse C91 is a dredger designed for small waterways, canals, and lakes. This technological giant has been equipped with the CW10 quick coupling system, which allows numerous tools to be attached to the attachment, such as a mowing bucket, dredging pump, chain mower, and grapple. This model has 3 outriggers, 2 in the front and 1 in the rear, and the mass range and length from 157 to 236 inches. The Converse C91 operates thanks to the driving force, a double auger with an anti-twist auger that is hydraulically foldable and height adjustable. CIFA's K67H model mounted on trucks with a 196.85-inch wheelbase and equipped with a 7-section RRZ boom introduces an innovation to the Carbotech range. With a boom length of 219.8 feet, this model expands the horizons of truck-mounted concrete pump applications, setting new standards. The uniqueness of the K67H is underscored not only by its scale, but also by the incorporation of advanced technology that provides unmatched efficiency on the job site. The MC815 stands at the head of the popular Maeda lineup with a whopping 8.09 tons of lifting capacity, making it the most powerful forklift in its class today. With a lift height of 64 feet and a new 10.4-inch multi-function touchscreen monitor and an additional 1-ton capacity, this crane offers unmatched versatility and high lift capacity. The optional 1.5-ton capacity SWL hydraulic 2-section extension increases the maximum lift height to 84 feet. There is an all-new search hook that provides a best-in-class load capacity of up to 1 ton. New to this model are a power lift mode and multiple outrigger mode, joystick radio control, self-leveling function, automatic crane folding by remote control, and an EU stage IIIB compliant engine that makes the machine environmentally friendly. The Audi's modular lifter is a revolutionary solar panel installation solution that will turn any project into a work of art. Whether it's micro-adjusting the ankle or carefully lowering, your team on the ground has everything they need for perfect alignment before installation. Included with specialized pallet forks and smooth module placement capabilities, the Audi's module lifter ensures every step of the installation is flawless. Its 325-pound lifting capacity, 360-degree passive rotation, and operation in temperatures ranging from negative 36 degrees Fahrenheit to 200 degrees Fahrenheit make it an indispensable helper in virtually any environment. And with automatic grab and release and articulating cups for precise alignment, work efficiency and safety reach a new level. Hauling gravel and construction materials over tracks has never been easier than with the Hydrema 912 ES rail dump truck. It is capable of operating in both high and low rail mode, feeding material in a 180G zone. The rail modules are mounted on a bolt-on system with quick couplings for hydraulics. This allows them to be removed when not in use for rail work. The large rail wheels ensure the position and stability of the tipper on the track, even at high speeds. The hubs of the rail wheels have individual disc brakes, so that both service and parking brakes act directly on the rail wheels. For safety reasons, this dump truck is equipped with automatic hydraulic locking of the articulated steering. In this way, the front and rear chassis are locked together, ensuring the truck's rigidity and minimizing the risk of derailment. Safe and fast, its quick installation characterizes this crane. This crane from the company's line of heavy-duty machines has numerous features that increase productivity, provide quick and easy installation, and is easy to use and very reliable. With 90 tons of load torque, a horizontal boom outreach of 113 feet with a jib, and a vertical boom outreach of up to 125 feet, this incredibly reliable crane is ideal for lifting heavy loads over long distances. Billing Robotics has developed its autonomous track loader, ATL, which the company believes will definitely become part of many other autonomous construction vehicles. Using a combination of LiDAR technology, similar to that found in unmanned vehicles, and advanced GPS technology that allows for centimeter-accurate positioning, the ATL is capable of performing simple but difficult tasks. For example, digging a hole once, you just need to tell it where and how big that hole should be. The Menzimuck M545X, often referred to as the Ferrari among spider excavators, is a high-performance, all-purpose machine designed for heavy-duty work in difficult terrain. With its sophisticated high-tech chassis and patented boom, this walking excavator adapts to any terrain, making it ideal for operations such as anchoring in ski regions, building forest roads and paths, laying foundations for power transmission towers and cable car supports. Easy Gripper is designed to help professional tire changers in a wide variety of conditions and situations. Using this system makes tire and wheel work faster and safer, and prevents damage to tires, rims, and equipment. With a large gripping range and 11,000-pound capacity, our machine can do a lot. The Easy Gripper model, with a 90-degree tilt module, is ideal for use on forklifts. The optional quick change module allows the operator to switch to and from forks within a minute. Features also include a 3-point handle that ensures gentle and safe handling of expensive tires. But the infrared camera system and very precise rotation allow one person to install and remove tires and wheels. How quickly can the hardest material be cut? With a chain cutter from Denmark, instantly. It's not just a piece of equipment. I'd say it's like a revolutionary tool that transforms work processes. Its power makes it easy to handle any task, saving you time and money. Think safety and efficiency. That's what you get with such a powerful machine. Meet the DGT Modified Wrecker Super Heavy Duty Wrecker, patented by Big Technique. The machine features a 2-cylinder, 80-ton tilt head with no extendable boom, and a 3.3-foot, 2-stage hydraulic extendable bottom elevator. The hydraulic system includes tubing, hoses, and a 10-function Bucher safety valve block. The installation includes a power tilt to minimize damage to bumpers. The tow truck also has one 20-ton Sepson hydraulic winch with 30-meter cable, pressure rolling, and pneumatic-free spool. The rig is fully sized and made up of modern Domex 900 steels, equipped with deluxe stainless steel tall boxes and a trestle. In the hands of a good craftsman, even the most soulless machine comes to life, putting holes in metal sheets as if working with butter. I can imagine how long it would take him to do it all by hand. This miracle machine masterfully manages the task of perfect material distribution, easing the work of the craftsman to unbelievable limits. The tractor turns the difficult task of removing old road surfaces into an easy exercise. With its help, the process is not only quick, but also marvelously efficient, as if the machine embodies the art of building new paths. Bucketmouth has been involved in land management, farmland preparation, and major landscaping operations around the world for over 10 years. Their TSG 1000 series mulcher actually adds to the profitability of companies that utilize such systems. As you have already realized, this tractor is used specifically for mulching. At the front of the cab is the roller, and it moves on a trackpad base. There are spiral-shaped spikes on the shaft. It works at high speed. From the surface, it can shred stumps up to 2 feet in diameter and up to 3.2 feet high. The shaft can also go into the ground up to a distance of 1 foot deep. Incidentally, the shaft is 8.2 feet wide. The unit runs on diesel fuel with a capacity of 270 liters. Also, the miller has been tested on 30,000 acres at a speed of 1.25 miles per hour. The universal pickup is a compact machine with a large steering angle for maximum maneuverability. The machine can move at a speed of 15 kilometers per hour, and its powerful 4-stroke engine with 18 horsepower allows you to pick at half speed. The machine has excellent performance regardless of the number of fruit collected, without damaging them. By the way, the picker can be used in both high and low stem orchards. Avatech, founded in 2003, has announced the new Trex Remote Control Lawnmower, RCLM, with collision avoidance technology. Featuring a new 20 horsepower Kawasaki remote start engine and dual cutting blades, the Trex 44 can cut tall, wet grass on slopes up to 50 degrees. The dual hybrid electric drive system provides a zero turning radius when traveling forward or backward. Hybrid drive eliminates the need for hydraulic oil systems and reduces weight and cost. Track to ground pressure is 1.16 pounds per square inch. The MD500 helicopter with air saw is one of the best tools for pruning trees in the right season. Thanks to this unusual technique, it is possible to efficiently cut off excess branches, especially those interfering with power lines in any cooperative. A special invention is used for this purpose, a long aluminum tube with 10 rotating blades. It swings among the trees and cuts down deciduous branches with ease. The 830-pound pneumatic saw can do in an hour the same amount of work that a hand crew can do in a few days. The HS57 is a heavy-duty mini-loader attachment that removes the collar and surrounding surface of concrete and asphalt manhole covers. The HS57 manhole saw was designed to get the job done by one operator and skid steer loader. The self-aligning hydraulic clamp attaches easily and securely to the collar. It provides a 57-inch diameter hole cut and lifts the collar and surrounding concrete asphalt layers once the cut is complete. The HS57 takes only 5 to 15 minutes to operate with one operator and a skid steer loader, drastically reducing labor hours and closing streets by as much as 75%. The cutting process is accomplished through the use of hydraulics, which creates downward pressure on the cutting drum rather than the weight of the mini loader. If you are looking for the perfect crane mat paving machine, here it is in front of you. It is fast, powerful, stable, and efficient. It is the perfect all-in-one machine. You can easily transport, install, remove, and pave concrete mats more efficiently and faster than any other machine on the market. As standard, the Timber Pro is equipped with a continuous cab rotation system. This allows the operator to operate the machine without the need for unnecessary maneuvering. Such machines have also proven their effectiveness in other areas, such as logging operations, for example. See how cool it is to have a large machine create important parts with a perfect shape? It would be extremely difficult to achieve this effect manually. You see the green cargo self-loading, self-propelled manure spreader, the brainchild of the Belgian company, Bimon. The machine is equipped with a Scania V8 engine rated at 450 horsepower, but production machines will be converted to a 13.5-liter Deere engine, which can develop 400 to 600 horses. The spreader here is standard Tornado 3 from Joskin. At the same time, it combines the characteristics that form the basis of the machine's concept: durability, ease of use, and maintenance. Spreading widths generally range from 7 to 16 meters, depending on the product being spread. To achieve this result, the vertical shafts rotate at a speed of 423 revolutions per minute, and spread the product with their teeth made of HB 400 steel. At their base, there are 2 blades that act as hammers in addition to spreading. Thank you for watching Megatech. Something is about to happen that will make your heart freeze. A huge excavator, seemingly monumental and unshakable, instantly disappears into the magnitude of the Earth's trench. It's hard to resist admiration as you watch the creation of human hands collide with the might of nature. At only 2.4 feet wide and weighing 2.9 tons, it's the perfect machine for working in the tightest and hardest to reach places. Maneuverable and powerful, this spider crane lifts over 2.9 tons with a 28.5-foot telescopic boom to 41 feet of maximum height on the hook. The RPG 2900 is the highest level of performance in its category. With its compact size, track narrowing capability, and lightweight, this model is especially suited for smaller jobs where space is limited. And the main telescopic boom and auxiliary articulated top boom provide maximum maneuverability, even at medium heights. The amphibious dredger from Clean Tech Infra is a unique machine that is designed for use in open and narrow canals, able to float in water and soft, swampy wetlands where a conventional excavator with tracks or tires would get stuck. It has a 22-foot reach and can endlessly rotate 360 degrees. Stabilizing wheels provide buoyancy when extended, and act as stabilizers when under the dredge. The excavator also uses its wheels to load and unload from the trailer, and can slide down steep slopes on its own. Camag's range of transportation solutions is as broad as the range of applications in the steel industry. Whatever your transportation task, Camag has the right vehicle for you. A vehicle that will prove its worth under the most demanding conditions. Extreme conditions, slag with temperatures up to 1300 degrees, liquid steel, angular and dusty bulk loads several meters long, red-hot slabs, or coils weighing tons. Camag can cope with any task. For example, the machine in front of you is designed to minimize the risk of accidents at work. See for yourself how it works. A road zipper barrier moving machine, also known as a zipper machine or road zipper, is a type of heavy-duty vehicle that is used to move concrete lane dividers to reduce congestion during peak hours. Many other cities use them temporarily during construction work. One of the advantages of barrier systems over other lane controls, such as traffic cones or overhead directional signals, is that a strong, reliable barrier actually prevents vehicle collisions. The Stout Smart Cultivator is a software-controlled tractor implement that uses machine vision and artificial intelligence to cultivate and weed fields with mechanical knives. The AI model recognizes each weed and each plane individually. The 2-meter-wide version has an output of 0.4 to 0.81 hectares per hour at 2.5 kilometers per hour. And those are cool numbers. The Seneboggin Model 870M is the latest machine, which is particularly impressive with its extensive range of 78 feet and its robust and reliable construction. Its flexibility is a particular advantage, especially when the task is to approach different berths or unload large vessels piecemeal. The powerful 300-kilowatt Dutz diesel engine provides the necessary power reserve and is designed for easy maintenance. The rear and side view camera system with 7 monitors for optimum all-round visibility is a valuable plus for safety and comes as standard. In addition, the machine has special loading and unloading equipment together with a curved banana boom and a long grapple boom, making this model an ideal machine for unloading ships. The technique is also used for loading on road and rail transport. Thank you for watching Megatech. The Brachy P11A is the Swiss knife among planters, equipped with everything you need for forest regeneration from A to Z. The machine turns regeneration into a work of art, considering ecology at every step. From scarification to precise planting, the P11A does it with ease right from the cab. It creates mounds of humus ideal for all soil types and places new life in the middle of each compacted mound. All parameters are controlled through the PLC platform and displayed, allowing the operator to select the ideal conditions for each seedling. Every action, from sowing depth to considering the plants already growing, is controlled with incredible precision. The Outlaw Pump Trailer is a high-performance unit that delivers increased efficiency and productivity. The 52-foot Outlaw is ready to easily handle pumping and mixing even the deepest lagoons, pits, and slurry storage areas. Among its distinct pluses are increased productivity and efficiency, extended reach and maneuverability, and easy transport and installation. 10-inch piping increases flow and/or reduces energy consumption. Engine configurations of 577 to 684 or more horsepower are available, allowing you to choose the power you need for your job. Pump 3,700 gallons per minute at agitation with 150 psi inlet pressure. The Multi-One solar panel washer is designed to gently clean the top surface of a solar panel array. This system can also be used for cleaning building walls, tunnel walls, and ceilings and Jersey-style barriers. The hydraulically controlled solar panel washing system consists of a telescoping arm and rotating brush, and to prevent damage, an electronic or proportional control system that constantly checks and adjusts the distance between the brush and the surface being cleaned. The large rotating brush with soft bristles allows solar panels up to 9.8 feet long to be cleaned quickly, efficiently, and without damage. The 875E is a multi-purpose carrier with 2 boom options for loading or handling wood under the most challenging operating conditions. Optimally positioned controls and a large touchscreen display improve ergonomics and overall machine control. Model advantages include better service access, more reliable undercarriage components, and extremely efficient hydraulic circuits. The result is high productivity, uptime, and fuel efficiency. The undercarriage is designed and built to withstand the rigors of constant use. The heavy-duty body provides additional stability when working with heavy timber. In the new LRC model from ABS Remorques, the manufacturer has used cross I-beams to attach the conveyor system to the trailer frame, providing a 30% increase in strength over the standard model. The subframe and other key components are now galvanized, providing maximum corrosion protection, reducing maintenance expenses, and extending the life of the trailer. Direct conveyor connection accelerates unloading speeds by 16% compared to connecting to a hydraulic block. The LRC model's pressure regulators and connectors were reconfigured, and an access door was added to the front of the trailer. ABS also redesigned the scraper mechanism to limit belt residue buildup. Finally, the door cylinders were relocated. All of these modifications were made to improve the safety and ease of use of the trailer for the operator. Are you already familiar with the CAT M323F two-way excavator? It can be used as a two-way machine on the road or on the track. The highlight of the machine is the hydrostatic rail wheel drive. During track operation, there is no contact between the rubber wheel and the rail, so the operator can move the machine along the track without paying attention to the track infrastructure. Its short tail section and associated maneuverability make it particularly suited for working on embankments, noise barriers, overhead line masts, etc. At 5.12 feet long, this excavator fits into any tunnel and can also be used on narrow construction sites. With a counterweight of 7.5 tons, it still provides very high side loads. The Watermaster multi-purpose amphibious dredger excels at tasks that would normally be accomplished with several machines. With its versatile array of quick-change work attachments, the Watermaster can perform all shallow water jobs from dry ground to a depth of 22 feet. The Technique has a 6-cylinder engine with turbocharger Caterpillar C7.1. The fuel tank capacity is 1,200 liters. The dredger is equipped with a modern cabin with excellent visibility, which has received FOPS certificate for protection from falling objects. There is also a function of self-locking and working movement without the use of additional vessels, winches, and cables. Maston Brook's unrivaled range includes groundbreaking innovations that deliver efficient, reliable, and cost-effective performance in various subsurface drainage applications, soil types, and groundwater levels. The new 4020 model, for example, was developed in response to global demand for a heavy-duty chain trencher that incorporates the latest technology for installation on drainage slopes with significantly greater efficiency and repeatability. Maximizing operator comfort and safety and staying ahead of stricter environmental standards are the main principles the manufacturer followed when creating the Model 4020 drainage plow. By the way, it runs plastic drainage pipes of varying diameters to a depth of 70 inches. And it has a Volvo Penta 4-stage diesel engine, rated at 315 kilowatt, 428 horsepower. The DAF 225X is an industrial-strength forest crop cutting and mulching system that can be mounted on most compact loaders or other specialized forestry machines. DAF brush cutters and mulchers are designed for vegetation control. Protective rings that limit the size of the bites significantly reduce the risk of blade holders breaking. Heat-treated, bolted forged knives that provide maximum resistance to impact and abrasion can be sharpened directly on the unit. The Technique has a hydraulic pusher option, which is particularly useful when dealing with older trees, as it is a reliable way of indicating where larger trees will fall when they are felled. It is impressive to witness the process by which rigid metal becomes flexible and obedient in the hands of a professional machine. It's almost like magic. Complex shapes and curves emerge from an unyielding material with a special ease. This heavy-duty rail-mounted robot, SLR-150H, from Dango and Dienenthal, has been designed for gripping, turning, lifting, and tilting rings and discs. In addition, its pincers with easily switchable gripping surfaces enable various forging operations. With a choice between manual, semi-automatic, or fully automatic integrated SLR control, maximum flexibility is ensured. The heavy-duty robots of the SLR series are indeed the best choice for frequently repetitive handling operations, such as moving forgings between furnace and press, and loading and unloading rotary hearth furnaces. They are specially designed for use in forging and ring-rolling shops, in other words, for heavy loads, high-temperature environments, and applications requiring long reach. Stop and admire this machine in action. Its movements resemble the work of a skilled seamstress who, hook by hook, brings a magnificent fabric to life. The precision and accuracy of the workmanship make the manufacturing process a true art. The push-stick rake from Hi-Mac Attachments provides amazing vegetation control with its rugged design and side wings. This unique mini-loader attachment allows you to clear the ground, fence lines, debris, and other vegetation incredibly quickly. The tine spacing provides superior screening, minimizes waste, and maximizes productivity. Kawana AG has created a high-performance turner composter windrow turning machine that has many features and advantages that set it apart from the competition. The Technique has a sturdy box construction that is designed to handle tough materials and has been tested in the harshest conditions. The turner composter is typically used for manure and larger compost materials. The Technique has a higher ground clearance, making it more suitable for larger piles. The hydraulically driven turner wheel provides more speed and traction. The drum has a 3-inch diameter through shaft for greater rigidity and performance. This drum is designed to throw material back with less power. The turner composter can be towed on the road, and its drawbar easily swivels for transportation. You will be impressed by the off-road capability of the scissor elevators of the Pulseo generation. The axle transmission and all-wheel drive give them excellent off-road capability and exceptional off-road performance. The HS15E and HS18E scissor elevators can handle gradients of up to 45% and have high ground clearance. Therefore, they can work on steep slopes and are suitable for all situations. These machines are capable of traveling on any terrain, even on very rough terrain, and they have a high grip on the ground. The oscillating axle adjusts the position of the front wheels to uneven terrain and ensures continuous contact between the wheels and the ground. Airless honeycomb tires are highly durable, have good ground grip, and absorb shock. It's wonderful to see how such a small device easily dominates rough wood to create a work of art. Its powerful hands transform the most unruly pieces of wood into perfectly round, perfectly smooth shapes. How often have you thought that the process of cutting firewood could be easy and efficient? With the Typhoon RCA 330 Joy and Fun wood chippers, now everything is possible. Powered by an electric motor or connected to a tractor, these machines can make firewood production extraordinarily simple. Capable of processing logs from 0.16 to 1.08 feet in diameter and turning them into logs from 0.66 to 1.31 feet long, the Typhoon makes firewood making efficient and less tedious work. These machines will be your trusted partners in firewood production, ensuring the perfect size and shape of each log. When you need to receive numerous brochures or other printed material, and even in the ideal design, the best way to do this is, of course, with a specially trained technician. Meet the super powerful and productive hydraulically powered concrete mixer. It's a low-cost attachment that allows you to mix, transport, and pour concrete faster than a standalone mixer. The SD series is naturally built on a new platform that delivers the well-known multi-one strengths, versatility, and productivity. A wide range of original equipment attachments make these new multi-one mini loaders indispensable machines for applications such as agriculture, where many types of tools are required. In the era of high technology, the process of preparing gourmet dishes in restaurants is taking on the characteristics of a real spectacle, thanks to the outstanding automation of production processes. Sandvik is raising safety and productivity standards by offering mining companies its new 45-ton underground dump truck model, which complements perfectly their range of smart machines. The company's engineers have made a truly reliable machine by adding a smart control module with data acquisition and transmission, available as standard equipment. The model is fully compatible with the optional AutoMine automation system, while it can also be equipped with an integrated weighing system to maximize its rated payload of 45 tons. In terms of service safety, the new model has numerous improvements, including easier access to the upper body and auxiliary handrails. Thanks to automation, operators can control remotely from anywhere in the mine or from the surface. This drum mulcher gets its name because of its cylindrical shape, resembling a drum. Skid steer drum mulcher is a heavy-duty land-clearing mulcher that attaches to a variety of mini loaders and shreds small trees and clears them with a rotating forward motion. The patented spiral tine pattern, modeled after a vacuum brush, provides efficient material flow to the center of the drum. The 2-speed variable displacement piston motor is protected by a low-profile frame for maximum performance and visibility. The Diamond Mower's drum mulcher has 3 choices of powerful mulching tines to meet the requirements of any, even the most challenging project. Using the remote control, the device operator can control all functions of the pilling device and various attachments, such as the sheet pilling press. With the RTG MPZ 770 sheet pilling press, 4 sheet pile walls can be erected simultaneously without any auxiliary equipment. Depending on the ground conditions, it can be used anywhere and shows its particular advantages in areas where vibration is unacceptable, such as in the immediate vicinity of buildings or power lines. HRVB, hydraulic vacuum bucket, not only produces a powerful negative pressure of -8 kilopascal, but also has other excellent features. Powerful maximum airflow of 10 feet cubed per second. There's an adjustable suction airlock for precision vacuum cleaning, as well as special bag filters for various applications. So where can a hydraulic bucket be used? Firstly, it is needed for waste disposal and cleaning on construction sites and for demolition work. It can also be used for vacuum cleaning of roadsides, railroad, and streetcar tracks. The new Rheinmetall MAN UDS HX 8x8 armored or unarmored soft-skin version of the vehicle, which is designed to support engineering troops. It is used as a crane plus heavy excavator with a 47.9-foot telescopic boom, lifting up to 7 tons with a 360 degrees rotating head. Often used by the military in training, operations, and disaster response, this HX 8x8 heavy-duty recovery vehicle is a great helper in such challenging applications. Hadrian X is a robot that can build brick structures. The system consists of a large telescopic robotic boom mounted on a 25-ton truck. A separate frame houses the electrical equipment, and the van houses the control systems. Before starting work, the robot reviews blueprints of the house and then creates a 3D model and plans its construction. The machine itself determines which bricks need to be cut and where those scraps can be reused, reducing waste. Glue is then applied to the bricks and put in place by a robot arm, guided by a laser. Hadrian X can lay bricks for a medium-sized country house in 2 days. It's cool to realize that in the complex process of weaving, it is the machines that do most of the work, and the human role is minimal. This is not only a demonstration of technological progress, but also a step towards more efficient and less labor-intensive production. In the world of agricultural technology, a real wizard has appeared, capable of reducing the time and effort involved in cutting logs. This mechanized saw does more than just do its job, it dances with the logs, showing art and enthusiasm in every movement. An exciting new video, The Ferret, demonstrates that any vehicle is capable of traversing any type of terrain on the open country line of tires. Off-road champion BJ Baldwin drives the advanced Ferret through forests and deserts, tackling seemingly impassable obstacles with ease. The Masters of Action Vehicle Engineering Atelier built this car on the platform of the British Reconnaissance armored car Ferret of 1959 and significantly customized. The vehicle now has 6 massive Toyo open country tires mounted on the wheels and built to the original design. The King Shock suspension allows the Ferret to drive over rough terrain and over obstacles with ease. The R9800 mining excavators combines adaptability with high productivity. Depending on customer preference, this machine model is available with a Cummins or Liebherr diesel engine. An electro-hydraulic version of the excavator is also available. When paired with a T264, T274, or T284 dump truck, the R9800 is a cost-effective and highly efficient solution for various large-scale mining projects. The patented Eagle Punch Cutter 2 is portable and designed to split off-road tires OTR in 2 halves by cutting through the center of the tread. It can handle various tire sizes, from 39-inch rim size and 37-inch tread width, up to and including 63-inch rim size and 70-inch tread width. A blade is used to punch the tire, while a programmable logic controller, PLC, controls the tire rotation and the punching process, allowing the operator to set up the machine, press the start button, and run it. The self-propelled three-wheeled machine with the latest suction unit is used to clean festival grounds and streets, and in the winter to suck up leaves for various municipalities. The three-wheeled bike, as it is called, is very maneuverable. The location of the suction nozzles on the front of the machine, rather than the rear, prevents the vehicle from pushing the waste into the ground beforehand. The fans provide suction power and dirt pulverization. Due to its small size, the machine is easy to maneuver among the objects at the festival. The machine can unload the waste into a container using a hydraulic tipper. Autonomous machines are arguably the smartest tools that are ideal for getting the job done faster, safer, and more efficiently. That's why the natural gas electric wheel loader, jointly developed by Robo and DH Technologies, provides fully autonomous material handling and truck loading with high productivity, clean emissions, and revolutionary efficiency. Well, what else do you need to get great results? Imagine a machine that can meet any challenge on the road to cleanliness. The Super 2000 on a Mercedes Actros chassis is just such a hero. This machine is a true giant in the world of cleaning. What makes it so special? For starters, it can clean pipes that other machines don't even dare to touch, extract contaminants from great depths, and mill pipes. The Super 2000 utilizes a water recycling system that not only saves resources, but also makes the cleaning process more efficient. Water that has been cleaned from sludge in the tank returns to play, providing powerful and continuous cleaning. And with a telescopic boom reaching the hardest to reach places, there's no task it will back down to. So, if you ask, can the cleaning process be made even more productive? With the Super 2000, the answer is unequivocally yes. Dramas, which specializes in the production of multi-axle mining trucks, has introduced a new 3-link tipping road train model, D150T. The tractor is a Kenworth T500 chassis with 2 front steerable axles and a rear-drive bogie trident. Under the hood of the tractor is a diesel engine with an output of 605 horsepower, which is equipped with an automatic hydromechanical transmission in 2 3-axle semi-trailers, the capacity of the body unloaded to the side of each of which is 40 cubic meters. 11-axle road train can carry up to 150 metric tons of cargo. This machine will find applications in the transportation of gold ore and other heavy materials. A Chemrock KDS 50 diamond saw bust cuts the left wing of an old, retired Boeing 707 at Hamburg Airport. The outer end of the wing has already been cut off, and the operator cuts through the thin aluminum wing on the inside of the engine. It's no task to test the powerful attachments mounted on the telescopic handler, owned by Thalen Industrial Demolition GmbH, TID. The forks of the telescopic forklift were placed under the jet engine to prevent it from falling, after separating from the rest of the aircraft. What can I say? The diamond saw did a great job at its primary task. You see a Truro beach sweeper for cleaning up medium and small areas, 440 XL, from the popular brand Sherrington. The principle of its work is simple, to sift sand and pick up debris in its hopper. The machine is also towed by a tractor of medium traction class. Furthermore, this model is perfect for cleaning beach sports grounds, equestrian areas, and even in agriculture. The PackMat PK404 is a mobile compacting machine that allows compacting all types of waste into open skips with a capacity of 30 meters cubed and more, as well as moving equipped skips with a maximum weight of up to 10 tons. PackMat PK404 is a roller compactor consisting of a frame made of welded profiles and equipped with a hydraulically driven roller weighing 2.3 tons. This model has 3 wheels, which means that the machine has a small turning radius, so it can work even on the smallest sites. The self-propelled machine provides compaction of all types of waste in open skips with a length of 251 inches and a maximum height of 104 inches, and skip reloading at a suitable site. ABI recently presented the new TP470 Vario, a power split infinitely variable drive machine. The vehicle is equipped with a VM turbo engine with an output of 136 horsepower. The new technique is developed based on the flagship model VT450, but was completely structurally rebuilt. The brand management assures that with a total weight of 10 tons depending on the wheelbase, the new van not only has about 20% more power, but also 5% more payload than the previous top model. In addition, the vehicle has an entirely new front-end design, and is now ready for the widest range of agricultural work at any time of year. As for the second one, it is the LH621 model. Such a productive machine with a lifting capacity of 21 tons, which combines the capabilities of an underground loader and a dump truck. By the way, it is the undisputed leader in terms of safety and productivity. The process of moving the ore mass can be further optimized by using the TH663 underground dump truck and loading it with 3 buckets per cycle. Transporting vehicles is a process that requires not only logistical skill, but also special attention to the safety of the vehicles being transported. The Blythe 6-car transporter brings these requirements to life by offering a sophisticated system for safe and efficient transportation. Equipped with innovative securing mechanisms, it secures the vehicles at all stages of the journey. The unique platform design optimizes space by adapting to vehicles of different sizes and classes. The system of loading and unloading vehicles is maximally simplified, which reduces operation time and minimizes risks for logistics personnel. The MVF-5 is a multi-purpose, heavy-duty robotic emergency response system. It serves first responders to perform tasks in the harshest, most challenging, and life-threatening environments. The MVF-5's primary mission is to extinguish fires in extreme conditions, in hard-to-reach, high-risk areas, and to clear roadblocks and debris without directly threatening operators. Singapore-based heavy lifting and transportation company Tiong Moon Corporation Holding Limited has added a new XCMG all-terrain crane, the new XCA model, to its fleet. Hydraulic supports, the location of the center of gravity in the lowest place, and control over the uniformity of loading on the boom give the equipment maximum stability in the process of lifting and moving the load. High maneuverability of XCMG highway truck cranes is ensured by swivel rear and front wheel axles. Additionally, there is an innovative automatic load leveling system. The tire on the left and right sides move up down separately to adapt to road conditions, effectively improve steering stability at high speeds, and achieve excellent off-road performance when driving on narrow roads or roads with poor conditions. Meet a major league player in the world of metalworking, a powerful press that makes sharp, smooth cuts like magic. This helper not only saves you time and effort, but also takes your projects to the next level. Etnire's extendable Black Hawk trailers transform the concept of efficiency in transportation. Thanks to a unique hydraulic system, they extend up to 26 feet, doubling their length without requiring extra effort. Capable of supporting 35 to 65 tons, they are ideal for transporting heavy equipment. Their low-profile design ensures stability and safety, making these modern trailers indispensable for various applications. Meet the new, innovative XXL manure mixer from Hosel. This large, long-legged machine distributes the material evenly in the fermenter. Powerful agitators on extremely movable arms with a reach of up to 122 feet and a range of 370 degrees allow efficient mixing of the mass even under difficult conditions. Floating layers, raw stock, or sinking layers are mixed quickly and thoroughly. Small spaces don't stop you either. Even small openings can be passed through with the agitator. With just one precise movement, this majestic machine works wonders to create metal parts of impeccable quality. Every product that comes out of its hands is a masterpiece, ready to be used in a wide variety of applications. Yet, without the effort and care of the worker, this process would not be possible. Human labor is invaluable here. The All-John 580CL is a full-featured, twin-cylinder vehicle stacker pickup capable of efficiently processing more than 20 to 25 end-of-life cars, vans, and pickup trucks, including engines, transmissions, and undercarriage. Power is provided by a proven Volvo Penta Tier 4 final diesel engine or electric motor. The comfortable, climate-controlled cab features an exclusive monitoring system that allows the operator to monitor machine functions as well as see the baling function in real time. The magical union of the human mind and the machine creates the impossible, turning any task into child's play. Together they blur all boundaries, easily conquering new heights. As pipe welding standards and techniques continue to evolve, McElroy introduces the latest machine, reliable and industry-leading equipment. Their Triton 560 combines the features of three of McElroy's most innovative machines: reliable portability and Trackstar I-Series technology, Talon 2000 pipe lidding capabilities, and the ability to meet the pipe where it lies found in Acrobat quick-fit carriages. These techniques help with pipe positioning, providing greater flexibility and increased productivity. With the same rugged dual rubber tracks found on McElroy Trackstar machines, the Triton provides all-terrain mobility, allowing for easy movement over various surfaces, and can drive directly to and from the pipe itself. Meet an innovation in firewood harvesting, the mounted wood splitter for mini excavators. It's not just an addition to your machine, it is a revolutionary tool that will bring pleasure from every split log. With it, you will forget about hard work and tiring hours of work, because its efficiency and maneuverability make the process of cutting firewood fast and easy. No matter how large the log you have, the wood splitter will handle it instantly, leaving behind only perfectly split firewood. Under the power of such a powerful machine, wood is turned into splinters in a matter of moments. The incredible power of the equipment leaves no chance for wood to resist, demonstrating its efficiency and speed in operation. The new generation of Dynapack rollers demonstrate higher maneuverability and productivity. The new model CA30 is equipped with the most modern solutions, which ensures maximum operational safety and fuel economy. The powerful Dynapack roller is equipped with a unique overcompaction alarm system, which helps to prevent premature breakdowns. The new generation machine is equipped with a transverse engine, which is used in similar class machines. This type of engine provides excellent availability of components and full comfort of service maintenance. The CT Model 718 compost header sets new standards for efficiency, productivity, and ease of operation. Operator comfort and efficiency have been improved, including new controls, an easy-to-read control display, and side and rear view cameras, plus a mainframe with a lower machine height for better transportability. The box loader's X-Trem loaders multiple applications, making it an indispensable tool for your organization, whether you're moving, grounding, lifting, or double stacking. The technique boasts an unmatched 44-ton capacity at any position, and it offers the longest reach on the market with a 55.1 inches of clearance between a fully loaded container and the chassis rail. The forklift can lift the heaviest containers, even those that are poorly positioned or with unevenly distributed loads inside. Double extension stabilizers give it impressive stability, allowing it to work on soft or uneven ground. The reliable trencher model, T1255 Commander 3, produced by Vermeer, is characterized by high performance, which is necessary for work with hard rocks and large diameters. The machine is equipped with a Caterpillar engine rated at 600 horsepower, 447 kilowatts, and is well suited for a variety of work on rough terrain. Thanks to extra wide opening for the conveyor, this powerful equipment allows you to perform work in the framework of pipeline projects requiring the excavation of large volumes of soil. Dual rotary drive motors provide low-speed cutting with high torque to ensure excellent ground penetration and less chain wear. Have you heard anything about the new HT912 from Red-Roo? This fully hydraulic, self-propelled, compact trencher is the perfect companion for your irrigation, sprinkler, and electrical system installations. As for the internal equipment, the heart of the unit is the 9-horse Honda OHV engine. A revolutionary new swivel system protects the pivot hub from dirt, and an operator presence monitoring system immediately stops the wheels and chain. Furthermore, importantly, this lightweight model is also available with a 12-inch, 18-inch, or 24-inch boom. This high-tech machine has much more significant dimensions than its predecessor, but its work is no less interesting and fascinating for the outsider's eye. The Mastodon M60 Forester Mulcher is designed to give land-clearing professionals the ultimate in mulching performance. Inside the machinery's compact frame is a massive 160cc adjustable hydraulic motor controlled by the E-Tech Smart Drive system. The head develops up to 780 pounds of tree shredding torque at a maximum rotor speed of 2,200 RPM. The industry's most powerful driveline is utilized for vegetation processing with the new Mastodon carbine feed control tube, which delivers sharp steel cutting performance and maintenance-free carbine durability. The Echo Telescopic Boom was developed by Echo Hartstall GmbH, specifically for embankment work, trench clearing, and river and canal construction. Several modifications were made until the telescopic excavator took its final shape and was now capable of handling deep construction excavations and underwater construction sites up to 82 feet deep. According to the manufacturer, the boom and telescopic handle are designed for use with a 1.5 cubic yard grapple, and a special 4-ton counterweight at the rear is designed to provide more stability when the telescoping arm is extended. The Cat Amphibious Excavator is one of the newer models in its class, which can be categorized as a range of trenching equipment. You are looking at a heavy construction machine that can be used for coastal trenching, loading and unloading, pile driving, and demolition work. The undercarriage of this amphibious excavator is specially designed to maneuver in harsh environments, such as swamps, inland lakes, and shallow waters where a normal standard excavator simply can't reach. In addition, this model comes with both a standard short reach handle and a 46-foot-long heavy-duty handle, allowing it to be adapted to the job site. The very case when the machine has fulfilled its task with an A+. Now, guys, come on, show the world what you can do and let your creativity run wild. Have you ever heard of moving trees using the dry suction method? If not, then look closely. Just 2 companies were tasked with digging up an adult tree in time for the Christmas season using a dry suction excavator provided by Ox Equipment and operated by Super Sucker. As a result of the fruitful work, the tree was successfully trimmed and transported to a new location and then safely replanted at another site where it is still thriving. The work process is, I must admit, very exciting. With several giants of technology taking up the challenge, one thing is promised: perfection in every curve and precision in every corner of your future. You can rest assured it will be perfect for future use. The SR Series rotary screening bucket provides high performance when sorting various materials. The rotary equipment is equipped with a replaceable screen system made of one piece. Its advantage is that it can be easily removed and replaced with other sieving sizes, from 20 by 20 to 100 by 100. SR rotary bucket equipped with a high-performance rotating drum of washing machine type with open front panel, which ensures maximum performance in sieving and sorting. The rotary screen is characterized by a strong and robust frame that can withstand even the heaviest working loads. The sieve drum is extremely robust and has a tapered base that optimizes the handling of the material being screened, both when the blade is parallel to the ground and when the bucket is closed. Here he is, an artist of the agricultural world, a picker and packer who works with such genuine passion that he can be compared to an insatiable beast, and his work to a gastronomic marathon. This technique seems to know no fatigue. The Feymanville Float Max is a versatile inloader type semi-trailer for glass transportation. Partially metallized as standard, the Float Max semi-trailer, mounted on 3 axles and equipped with a reliable glass securing system, is highly resistant when transporting heavy sheet glass on pyramids. It features a high payload, a one-piece longitudinal chassis beam for maximum stability, sophisticated aerodynamics, and optional load distribution. The Feymanville Float Max also has a stronger connection between the chassis frame and support channel, especially on all axles. Canada's specialized search and rescue SAR teams regularly risk their lives by relying on aircraft to overcome serious challenges in hazardous weather and dangerous terrain. The demands on Canadian SAR aircraft are well documented, from challenging mountain contour searches, storms in the Arctic and North Atlantic, to extreme temperatures, icing, and precipitation. The C-295, built by Airbus and selected for the National Aircraft Search and Rescue Program, is ideally suited for those missions. This video is an exclusive inside and outside tour of the latest generation of the versatile aircraft that Canada recently welcomed to its fleet. Crawler crane with lattice boom, Minotowik Model 18,000, has a lifting capacity of 750 tons. Thanks to its simple assembly and self-assembly capability, a mobile crane with a small lifting capacity is sufficient when assembling the crane. A large selection of maneuvering and fixed jibs, sections, and boom heads allows you to solve many problems in modern construction. Several variants of counterweights provide an opportunity to develop low pressure on the base, thereby ensuring movement with a load on the hook on unpaved sites. What do you think of the idea of moving an entire modular house using special crawler technology? It's not just a step forward in logistics, it's a leap into the future of construction and architecture. This approach opens up new horizons for mobility, making moving and redesigning the environment literally a matter of a day. Imagine a machine that can reduce a car to the size of a scrap metal cube in just a few seconds. This is not magic. This is technology available to those who choose the right equipment for their tasks. The VMM 310 from SNP Private Limited brings the world into the era of brick automation, becoming the first fully automatic system of its kind. This machine is a true speed champion, producing 12,000 bricks every hour, thanks to its unique ability to move on wheels. It provides a cost-effective and environmentally friendly solution, reducing the need for workers and water usage to a minimum. The bricks created by the VMM 310 are not only 3 times stronger than traditional bricks, but also cost 45% less. The machine can work with various raw materials, including clay and fly ash, producing different types of brick, and giving owners the freedom to produce anywhere and anytime, opening up new horizons in brickmaking. The SkyCut is a pruning shear with an 82-foot fiberglass rod. It is equipped with a circular saw with a rotating head. This allows for pruning at high heights. The fiberglass, an electrically non-conductive material, ensures operator safety when trimming near high-voltage power lines. Depending on requirements, the self-propelled machine can also be equipped with a front shredder with fixed hammers. The P995 pontoon excavator from Liber is characterized by fast cycle times and high digging force. It has an operating weight of about 360 tons, an engine output of 1,750 kilowatts, and a respectable 346 horsepower, and a digging depth of up to 74 feet. Its design features a large panoramic window that provides an excellent view of all the equipment. By the way, the cutting force of the equipment is 657 kilonewtons, and the breakout force is 774 kilonewtons. The longest working equipment of the pontoon monster consists of a 53-foot monoblock boom, a 36-foot handle, and a capacious 36-foot backhoe bucket.